So hello everyone, welcome to RX Engineering. In this video we are going to make this heart rate monitoring system. So using this device we can monitor our heart rate very easily. So if you like this video then subscribe our channel RX Engineering and let's see how to make it. So for making this project I am using one Arduino Nano, OLED display, pulse sensor, breadboard and jumper wires. So now I connect the red pin with 5 volt and the black pin with ground and the yellow pin with A0. So now we are going to connect our OLED display with Arduino. So first of all we connect the ground pin with Arduino ground. Then we connect the VCC pin with Arduino 5 volt. And now we connect the SCL pin with Arduino A5 pin, and last we connect the SDA pin with A0 pin. So the connection is done. I hope you will understand the connection properly. Now we connect the Arduino with laptop and upload the code. So the code I will give you in the description. If you don't know how to code it, then you simply download the code from the description link and upload the code in your Arduino device. I hope you like this video. So if this video is helpful for you then please like, share and subscribe our channel RX Engineering.